So that side's Europe, and then this side.
Now, yeah, we are in the Asian side, going to European side.
All right, welcome to Istanbul. So we arrived last night. It's now like 2 o'clock or something today, and we just went out, got some breakfast, really great, and we're about to head to the person's house that we're staying at. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but we will figure that out very soon, and I'll keep you guys updated. So we drove down the Bosphorus, and it was super amazing. So it doesn't happen often, but when we were there, it actually was like this greenish blue color, and it was really cool. It was because of the rain. It like caused the two seas to mix and create this cool color, which was awesome. We actually decided that we were gonna get out and take some photos, which I don't know if that was a good idea because it was freezing cold and we didn't have any cold clothes on. We were with Burke and his girlfriend, who they actually picked us up from the airport, and really quick we decided that we're gonna leave there because it was legit freezing cold. It's like 10 degrees. I need a tap over here. There. Freezing cold. Freezing. So after that, we just decided to drive back and call it a day and get settled in. And the next day, me and Jen actually went down to the Starbucks down at the Bosphorus, and it was amazing. It had this great view. It was actually really sunny, so super nice outside. Just kind of hung out down there for a little bit and enjoyed the sun while it was there. We are walking up the fattest hill right now. We just got some coffee at Starbucks, but tomorrow we're gonna be doing all of our must-sees in Turkey. I'm trying to block the wind as we hike up this mountain. That was a bad idea. We wanted coffee, but I don't think we're gonna get coffee again. How was that? Never again. It was a one-time thing. The Bosphorus is pretty cool though. Yeah, it's not worth walking down a mountain though. Oh, almost there. See, that's the hill. That's the Bosphorus. And this is more of the hill. Breeze Squad! Welcome back. We are touring through the city right now. It's pretty good. We're at one of the biggest mosques. It's freezing. After that, we actually ended up walking around the Grand Bazaar, and it was really neat to see all the different shops. Like, we only covered about a fourth of it, because it's not even a fourth of it, because it's so huge and you can just walk and walk and walk and never end up finishing it. But it was really neat to see it there. Wow.
This is the most original fabric store in the bazaar.
They have amazing. After, we ended up going to go get some smoothies, then driving back because it was freezing cold and just raining on us the entire time, and actually cut our little day tour short. But over the whole tour, we actually ended up walking like 8 miles the entire day, and it was an exhausting day. So it was kind of nice that the rain kind of killed it. Everything was literally soaked. My camera, it was just impossible to try and film when everything was getting soaking wet and you're just freezing cold. My hands are numb, Jen's pretty cold, and so we just decided to go back. And actually right when we ended up getting back, it started like pouring rain, and then it just turned into straight hail. So after the big old hailstorm, we decided to just call it quits for the night. So we're going to this museum. We're gonna go check it out, so let's go. We actually came here earlier, but it was freezing cold and raining, so we had to go. So now we're taking a second time around and gonna check it out. So there's like these watches and clocks and stuff, and they're gold. You can't film inside, or take photos, but they're really cool.
Super
like,
old. They're from like
back
the 17th and 18th century.
Pure gold.
So cool.
So we're gonna go explore a little more now. So much old stuff, really amazing to see. So if you come to Istanbul, definitely would recommend coming here and checking it out. It's really cool to see everything still intact and not broken. Amazing. Oh, well, we actually only paid like 60 Turkish lira to get in. So $12, maybe less. But you couldn't take photo or video anywhere. So I guess we're going to the cistern now. Little bread Nutella. It stinks so bad. So we got these wet hamburgers.
Mine's gone.
Oh, it's way too early for this. Alright, well today we're headed to go meet up with Burke and his girlfriend, and we're gonna go do some photography around the town. We're currently walking up this hill again. I don't know why. Am I getting it first? Well, we're leaving Istanbul right now, so we're flying to Cappadocia, and I bought some Wi-Fi in the airport, and it was like $4, €4, so I'm uploading our last video. And then we're headed to Cappadocia, so I will see you guys in Cappadocia.